Well, if you are heading out and about this morning, you may want to grab that rain gear, especially if you're going to be out later this evening, because we do have yet another storm on the way. But for the moment, we are in between storms. Temperatures right now, not bad, sitting at 47 degrees at the Eugene Airport. That dew point's all the way down to 43, which means we do not have to worry about the fog this morning. We are still seeing some wet roadways, mainly left over from yesterday's showers. And we'll continue to see just a few isolated showers in the region today. Winds also pretty breezy from the south there at about 12 miles per hour. As you head up into the Cascades, if you're traveling over Santiam or Willamette Pass, you do want to have those chains or traction tires with you. Still seeing several inches of snow on the roadways from this weekend. 37 at McKenzie Bridge, and then when you get up to the pass, just 30 at Odell Lake, 31 in Lapine. So be prepared for some snowy and icy conditions there. Otherwise, the rest of us seeing pretty mild conditions up in the northwest corner of the state. That's where most of the rain is lingering from yesterday's storm. You get north of Corvallis, some pretty heavy rain between Salem and Portland this morning, and they're also continuing to see some snow falling up in the northern Oregon Cascades. And so there is a winter weather advisory in effect there. We'll have more on that here in just a moment. In terms of rainfall totals over the past 24 hours, Corvallis, you're the big winner, picking up almost 3/4 of an inch of rainfall there yesterday. That was the most in the state. Just 0.13 of an inch for Eugene and for Roseburg. About 2/10 when you head out to the coast, and just 2/100 when you head over into central Oregon. Again, we are going to continue to add to these rainfall totals just a little bit today. It will be snow as you head north of Santiam Pass all the way throughout the Washington Cascades. And then for the rest of us, mainly we're watching out for that storm that's going to hit later tonight. So out along the coast, the concerns are the flooding down in Coos County. The Coquille River continues to be 2.5 feet above its banks. Not expecting that to drop below its banks until Thursday. So you folks still have a couple days to go with flooding there. And then we're also preparing for yet another high wind event. High winds starting tonight after midnight all the way through 4 p.m. on Tuesday, and that's for the entire Oregon coast. We could see gusts up to 90 miles per hour out on the beaches and headlands here early tomorrow morning. That's because of this storm right here. This is the last in this series that we've been talking about. This is going to move right into western Oregon. It's going to get here late this evening and continue through tomorrow. Heavy rain and strong winds with this. It started down in the tropics, so it's still pretty warm. But as we head into the second half of the week, this storm is going to move down from the north. And this one's much colder. It originated up near Alaska, so it's also much drier. So we'll see those cold showers for the second half of the week. Heavy rain, though, again, moves back in here later tonight. We'll see that overnight and all day Tuesday, all the way into Tuesday night. And then finally by Wednesday, we'll see a break in the rain, at least the heavy rain. So for the coast, you're looking at those mid-50s. Showers a little bit breezy today. Winds will be from the south, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Again, very strong winds starting tonight after midnight. We'll have more on that Tuesday morning. As you head into the second half of the week, temperatures come down, and we'll continue to see those scattered showers off and on. For the Umpqua Basin mid-50s, you'll also see that rain moving in later tonight. Heavy rain all day Tuesday, and they'll just be isolated showers for the second half of the week. The Cascades could see 1 to 3 inches additional snow tonight. Central Oregon, upper 40s and isolated showers. And for the valley, low to mid-50s. We'll see heavy rain late tonight and all day Tuesday.